Okay, so where were we? Alright, let's just get rid of some of that. And I think we can focus on this and that. Now, bring this over here, bring this under here, right? Just, yeah, why not? This will go here, and that will go under there, right? Let's just remember that. That way we don't get confused, yeah? So let's do that. Okay, now this is going to get a bit techie. It's going to get techie, right? And yeah, we're using British slang today. So, I'm going to put the timetable for this, what you call it now, the divisor. We'll take the divisor and create a timetable for that. Let's see how many of them I can actually fit right there. Yeah? Alright, boys and girls, we must be proud of ourselves, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? And how we know this is correct? This number is the same as this number with a 0 at the end. Right? So that's how we know that's correct. Now we're going to have, I guess, the difficult, challenge here. Give me 1 second while I put a decimal point here and some zeros behind that. Alright, so let the games begin. Now, underline the 9, put a 0 there. Underline the 5, put the 0 there, because 95 is smaller than that. Right? Same thing, 955 smaller than that. Yeah? Now we're getting somewhere. 95,598 is still smaller than this. So, we'll have that there. No, we're actually somewhere now, right? This is larger than, and let me make sure. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is still smaller. So, again, so we have to be careful just now, right? Right? So now, here we are. This is where we actually begin. So this is bigger than 1 right there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. Right, so only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to stop right here, right? Because this number is smaller than that right here, and that right there. Yeah? So we'll have to put a 7 right there, and then we will now have to figure out what number we are going to add to this to give us 95,9889. Right? So let's do that. Let me not shy away from that responsibility. So let's say 8, 6, 7, 4, 7, 8, 5. Okay. So this looks reasonable. A part of it looks reasonable. So 9 minus 5, we have 4. 8 minus 8, we have 0. 8 minus 7, we have 1. 9 minus 4, we have 5. This is the part where it gets, a little bit dicey, right? So, what do we do here? I know what I do for fun, right? Let's treat it like we're just subtracting 867 from 955 alone, right? Let's do it like this. If I add 33 to this number, I'll get 900, right? So let's do that and see if that works, right? Oh, sorry, you can't see that. Okay. Anyway, if I add 33 to this number, right, I'll get 900, right? So let me add 33 to 55. 33 plus 55, that's going to be, oh, sorry. Why did I put it in black? Sorry. So let's put the 8 right here, right? So let's double check it though. 8 plus 7, you have the 5, carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 8, 5 carry the 1, 9 minus 9. Yeah, there we go, right? So that's our remainder right here. This number will go behind here, and just to make our lives easier, we can just drop the 0. Yeah, because, I would love to put the zero, you know, this beside the zero here, but yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot, it's a lot. It really is a lot. So, we're going to compare this now to what's over here. Now, lucky for us, this number is larger than this, but it stops right here. So we can literally put our x's here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right there. Right? So, okay, we will have put a 7 up there. Yeah? So that would mean that we would now have to take this number and subtract it from this right here. So we'd have 8. Now mind you, we don't necessarily have to do this. You know why? Because if you have 7.7 months, then if you round it off, you really have 8 months. You know, so we don't even have to go past this. Right? We're just doing this for our own amusement at this point. Right? Only for our own amusement. Let's hold on. Let me see if I can. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Now, this was fun about doing the long or short division, and mind you, this is without a calculator. Yes. So again, in our